told, the legends and the myths, Achilles and his gold, Hercules and his gifts, Spider-Man's control, and Batman with his fists. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list. She said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk?
Listen, y'all, I don't care if you're white, black, Hispanic, Indian, straight, gay, lesbian, bisexual, short, tall, skinny, fat, rich, or poor. If you're nice to me, I'll be nice back.
Wait a second, let me catch my breath. Remind me how it feels to hear your voice. Your lips are moving